Hey traders, welcome to WeTradeWave's weekly Forex forecast. Another amazing trading week, and we really hope most of you made money. Before we start, thank you for your likes and comments on our last Forex forecast. So keep watching till the end and let's dive into the charts. DXY, for this one, we said last week, guys, we are expecting dollar to go up. Market went up, we've got a down wave, another up move. So we hope all of you who trade DXY made money with this up wave. Now, before we go for what next, from here we said, guys, we are expecting dollar to go up, and market went up. This was covered on the 4th of September. Even before that, from here we explained in details what was behind this up wave. So all of you who are new to WeTradeWave's channel, I'll put a link for you under this video regarding this forecast. Why? Because we explained this in details, why we were expecting market to shoot up. Market went up, we've got this down wave, we forecasted this up move, and this up move. Can you see, guys, the power of wave analysis and market structures? This was the forecast of the 4th of September, and this was the forecast of the 11th of September. So all of you who remember these forecasts, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember, guys, your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more every single week and will help YouTube algo to show our forecast to more traders. So give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, what next? All of you who are in the buy, now is the time to take at least 75 to 80% off and leave the rest at break even. This is for those who are already in the buy. Those of you who are not in, you wait. We are still biased to the upside, but if we get a corrective structure here and then one more push up, we might not go for this up wave. If you are following us, you should be already in the buy from here or from here. We will take profits and we will wait. If market will give us a corrective structure, we will see the price action, we will analyze the patterns, we will do our fundamental analysis, macroeconomic factors, and then we will take decision. At the moment, we are still biased to the upside. Is that clear? Now, those of you who are new to WeTradeWave's channel, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Euro dollar, for this one, it's amazing. We forecasted this down wave, and last week we said, guys, we can see euro dollar falling more. We know a lot of you trade euro dollar, and we hope you made money with this down wave. Again, I'm repeating this. If you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'm personally reading every single comment. For euro dollar, the forecast and the bias was towards the downside, and market went exactly as expected. What next? All of you who are in the sell, now is the time to take at least 75 to 80% off and leave the rest at break even. Those of you who are not in, you wait. If market will give us a corrective structure upwards, another drop will be coming. This corrective structure, it might be deeper than expected. And from here, we said euro dollar will be going down to 1.17. This drop and 1.17 was covered by T in one of our Sunday sessions. Our in-depth analysis service members, if you remember this forecast and 1.17, let us know in the comment section. Anyway, more details regarding this structure, the next wave, and the bigger picture will be covered in detail by T on Sunday session. Guys, Sunday live sessions are part of our in-depth analysis service. And just to let you know, we have implemented a new payment portal where you can pay using your credit or debit card from any part of the world. A lot of you were waiting this, and we thought to update you on this new payment portal since some of you have had troubles in the past paying us via PayPal. Now, what will you get in our in-depth analysis service? Sunday live session with T. If you cannot attend live, the session will be recorded and recording will be available for 7 days. You will get midweek review analysis via email. In addition to that, you will get trades of the week and trades of the month. So if you are interested, you can subscribe in just few clicks. Pound dollar, another pair. We really hope, guys, most of you who trade pound dollar get in the sell. This was the forecast. This was the move. Our bias was towards the downside and market fell from 1.39 to 1.37. So it's almost 200 pips move. Like if you really, guys, trade only small lot size, you will be able to make huge profits with our forecast. So if this is what we are covering on YouTube, what about our Sunday sessions? And what about our next course? Anyway, I don't want you guys to miss big moves that will be coming next. And those big moves are covered as trades of the week on every single Sunday. Not only that, regarding our trades of the month, pound dollar was one of the trades of the month on August. And this was the drop from here to here. This was our trade of the month. On August, as trade of the month, we covered pound dollar and US oil. Both of them moved as expected, and these were huge moves. Now for September, the trade of the month was pound Swiss. We said we are expecting pound Swiss to move up. This is pound Swiss, and this was the forecast from here. Market was just moving upwards. So again, if you follow our forecast and you only trade small lot size, you can make decent profits every single week. And we are expecting market to give us some big moves in the last quarter of 2021. Coming back to pound dollar. For this one, guys, after this down wave, we will start to look for our buy setups. Even if market will go down to break this low, we will be looking for our buy setups next. Let me repeat this: buy setups. Those of you who were in the sell, perfect. Now is the time to take profits. Those of you who are not in, you also look, guys, for buy setups for pound dollar. Alright? There is very important thing, guys, that usually traders forget to do. Don't be greedy. And after winning trade or streak of wins, I suggest you to withdraw the profits or part of it and enjoy it. Enjoying the profits is very important, and usually most of traders, they forget to do it. And remember this: money doesn't go to people who need it. It goes to people who knows how to multiply it. So if you learn how to trade correctly in Forex trading, you can multiply your money. Does it make sense? Guys, our next course will be in November. Those of you who are serious about trading, our November course will be a special one. So if you are interested, be ready for it. Aussie dollar, another pair, another forecast. Market was falling in this downtrend. And also the outlook for all Aussie pairs was towards the downside, and this was based on wave analysis and fundamental analysis. And this is the market in front of you. Anyway, what next for Aussie dollar? For now, even if market will give us a corrective structure, one more push down, we will not sell this down wave. After this drop, market is going to go up. At the moment, we will look for our buy setups after the completion of this down wave. If you are following us, you should be already in the sell, and now you must be in profits. So take some and enjoy those profits. For Aussie dollar, even if market will correct for another drop, we will not sell again. We will wait market to finish this down wave, and then we'll look for our buy setups one more time. Short term, we might get corrective structure for another drop, and this corrective structure, it might be deeper than expected. So in all the cases, if we need to take decision, we will wait market to finish this down wave, and then we will go for buy setups. Dollar yen, for this one, we've got this sell, this one. We took some profits, and then on Wednesday, we said, guys, this might push up. We said this in our midweek review email. And last week we said for this one, we are going to sell every drop. This was a drop, this a drop, this was a drop, corrective structure, another drop. So this was a sell for us. We took profits. We spot the change of structure to the upside regarding this up wave. Anyway, if you took a sell from here or from here, you should have made decent profits with this drop. And if you took this buy, you move your stops to break even and let market unfold. What next? For dollar yen, we can see it correcting downwards for another up move. If you are in the buy, you move your stops. If not, you leave it for now. If this will give us a corrective structure, one more push up, after this up wave, we will sell one more time. New Zealand dollar, we said from here market will drop. We've got this down wave. Market correct to the upside, and we said, guys, even with this up move, we can see New Zealand dollar falling again. This is New Zealand dollar in front of you. This is the power of knowledge, wave analysis, and market structures. I suggest all of you are new to go back and watch at least our last 2 Forex forecasts on our YouTube channel. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Anyway, New Zealand dollar was falling. All of you get in the sell, you move your stops to break even and let market unfold. For New Zealand dollar, you move your stops to break even. Why? For this one, we are expecting market to correct upwards for another drop. Alright guys, we are still biased to the downside. Pound yen, for this one, you know that we were biased to the downside. Pound Oz was one of the trades of the week to the upside. This means Pound Oz was a higher probability chance. For Pound yen, even it's a pound pair, and Pound dollar also a pound pair, we said, guys, we are expecting a down wave. Look for sell setups. Pound dollar was falling, Pound yen was falling, Pound Oz was going up. So if up till now you do not believe in the power of knowledge and wave analysis, we have a problem here. Anyway, Pound yen, market was falling. We took this sell, and we hope all of you trade Pound yen also took advantage. Market is correcting upwards for another drop. After this drop, I want all of you get in the sell to take profits. Even if this will fall more, take profits. Why is that? Because we are expecting Pound dollar to go up and dollar yen to go up. Here we might have a corrective pattern in the making for another up wave. So all of you get in the sell, manage your trade. Yes, all for this one, we were waiting market to go up to go for sell setups. Even after this corrective structure, this up wave was clear to us. Market went up, we were waiting a corrective structure, one push up, and then another drop. And we said the next wave is toward the downside. What happened here? Market went up, it gave us a continuation pattern. This was an expansion, and then market went up again. What's happening here? The way market is moving down, we do not like it. We might get a corrective structure, one more push up, another drop. We will ignore any buy setup and we will go for sell setups only. Now you will be in trouble only in few situations. If you jumped in here without putting stop loss, or if you are over risking, over trading, or if you are adding to losing positions. If you are doing any one of these, you will be in trouble. Do not jump in, do not over risk, do not over trade, and never ever add to losing position. If you just follow those 4 rules, you will never ever be in big loss situation. Alright guys? At the moment, we are biased for one more push up before this drop. More details regarding this structure, the bigger picture for US oil, and where we might have a change of structure will be covered in detail on Sunday session. Gold, for this one, we were biased to the upside, and we were waiting this up wave. Market went down to 1780. Our members, you know this level, and then market went up. We were expecting this to go up to 1820. Instead, market went up to 18.9 and then we've got this drop. So if you took this buy with us, you must have made small profits or break even. If you took a loss in this down wave after you get in this buy, your plan needs amendment. You have a lot of time to move your trade to break even or to take partial profits. The target was 18.20, market went up to complete this structure and we've got this drop. Some of you guys are still in the sell from here. So if you are still in the sell from here, now is the time to take profits because the next wave for gold is towards the upside. We have a lot of liquidity between 1840 and 1850 level. That's why we are expecting gold to move up again above this top and the previous two tops. So those who were following us and who got in the buy, this is a small profit or break-even trade. Even if you get a small loss, this is okay. Losses are part of this business. Do not think that we do not take losses. Alright guys? And do not try to avoid them because you cannot. All what you have to do is to manage your losses wisely. How to do that? You always risk small. Now some of you might be asking, alright Alan, if I'm risking small, how can I make big profits? This is related to risk to reward, win ratio, and how to trade correctly. Remember this, if you risk big, you have a high probability chance to lose big. But if you risk small, your worst case scenario, it will be small loss. And if you know how to trade correctly, you will be able to make big profits even if you are risking small. Alright guys? So market went in, it gave us a corrective structure, another drop. This will be going up soon. And here, this is a higher probability chance move. Even if we are sure 95% that market will shoot up, we will not jump in and we will not over risk. So this is also guys part of how to trade correctly, and we have been successfully passing this knowledge and this mindset to our members who took our previous courses. Don't take my words for it, go and check our Trustpilot profile and read what they are saying. Again, I'll post a link for you in the description under this video. Also, those who are interested in learning from us, I don't want you guys to miss our November course. I'm repeating this, it will be a special one and all the modules are on our website course page. Dollar CAD for this one, we were waiting market to correct upwards, we've got this corrective structure. Even if market will correct for one more push up, we will look for sell setups one more time. The next wave for dollar CAD is towards the downside. This drop is not ready as yet. I want you to wait on this and do not jump in. Only after you get a sell setup, you get in. Without a sell setup, you leave it. Silver, market is dropping. So those who get in the buy, we hope you made some profits in this up wave. We were expecting market to go one more push up here. Instead, we've got this drop. So we were wrong in this up wave, but this corrective structure was clear to us for this drop. Anyway, we were wrong with this up move. Market went in, we were expecting this to be a corrective structure for one more push up. Instead, market continue this down wave. What next? Silver is coming back to our point of interest, which means anytime we get a drop, it will be good to invest again. In all the cases, any buy setup we get, we will go for it. This arrow is only regarding the bias. We are biased to the upside. Any buy setup we get will be great. If market will give us a corrective structure for another drop, we will go for the buys under this low, or even under previous lows. Investors, you get ready to invest again. Bitcoin, again. We said last week this drop, it might be for short term. The next wave is towards the upside and market started this up move again. So if you get in from here, this is already 10% up wave. What next? We can see market correcting for another up move. More details regarding Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other coins will be covered on Sunday session. Most traders, they start to trade, they lose big, and then they decide to learn. Don't be most traders. You have to learn first, and then you risk your money. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.